Welcome to the Manufacturing Fireside Chat at the Future Ready Application Summit. My name is Praveen Panchagmula and I am the country leader for the manufacturing vertical for Microsoft in India. Today, we have with us Mr. Vipin Jain, Assistant Vice President of IT at Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Vipin is an alumnus from IIT Delhi and a veteran in this industry with more than 30 years of experience driving digital technologies across the value chain of automotive, right from materials, HR, finance, production, sales, customer experience, and more. Thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Vipin, and we look forward to an enriching conversation with you on this fireside chat. Let me straight away get into the topic, our audience will be eager to listen to this. Automotive industry has always been the harbinger of technology adoption. And today, yet again, with the advent of new safety norms, the advent of new environmental norms and BS6 engines coming up, and a very differentiated customer experience post-COVID, once again, the industry is on a cusp of a disruption, and we are at an inflection point where we see technology and digital technology in particular playing a big role in this change that's happening. We would be keen to hear from you to open up this particular session. Where do you see technology can play an impact in the value chain of the automotive, right from the supplier to the customer? And how is Maruti Suzuki doing leveraging digital technology for a differentiated customer experience? Over to you, Vipin sir.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Praveen, for the introduction and inviting me for this particular chat. As far as our organization is concerned, IT system penetration is there in all the areas, and IT systems are impacting into our manufacturing operation, increasing the quality and improving the efficiency. Plus, it is impacting our supply chain in terms of dynamically changing the production plan and better communication with our business partner. The third angle is the customer facing. Using the IT technology, we are able to communicate and interact with our customers better. We have implemented many systems for our customers for the organization benefit, and basically using the collaborative platforms.
Thank you, sir. It's good to know that technology is leveraged at every business process, be it front office, be it back office, be it manufacturing operations. And getting a little bit of more detail into it, Vipin san, and starting with customer first. Okay, we have seen the entire customer experience change from a product-centric approach. Companies have moved to a customer-centric approach, and today, customers before they walk into a showroom have more knowledge of the product because they have researched a lot in the social media and in the public domain, and look forward for that differentiated customer experience. Okay. With this coming into picture, how are you leveraging technology for creating that differentiated customer experience in the customer front office space?
Yeah, from the customer perspective, I'll give you three examples where
Sure.
where we're using the technology. Three main examples. One is the customer interaction tool, and this is a collaborative platform which we have provided between the customers and the sales executive. The customer need not go to the showroom. Whatever he wants to do at the showroom, he can interact using this collaborative platform with the dealer sales executive in terms of the products, in terms of its features, in terms of its prices, and all that type of things. Number two is in terms of the Maruti Finance. So it's a collaboration platform between the customer, dealers, and the finance companies, where the financing used to be a troublesome area for the customer, and now it's a platform where all the required documents can be shared online with the finance companies, and whatever this finance approval which used to take weeks earlier, now it is a matter of 2 days kind of a things. And third example is in the area of the insurance, where We are integrating the dealers and Maruti systems with the insurance companies. The customer can get the insurance, his vehicle insurance online. He can compare the quotes also from the multiple insurance companies, select one of them, and then do the things. And because of the Maruti network, he has got an advantage that he can take the insurance from any one of the dealer, and he can get his claim from any other dealer at an all India basis. So these kind of a platforms which we are provided, and which is a beneficial for our business partner, to Maruti, as well as to the customer.
So, Vipin San, thank you for this insight. We did see how technology, digital technology is getting leveraged at the front office, the manufacturing processes, and the supply chain. And every enterprise, and that's the reason I would want to now move to my next question, which is there. Uh, every enterprise that I meet up, they say we have a lot to do. Everybody is now clear that digital technology can make an impact in terms of the business. But the whole idea is there's so much to do and so little time. So how do we accelerate this whole journey with using technologies like low code, no code, or digital platforms in terms of accelerating this journey moving forward? So what would be your advice from your experience? How does an enterprise typically accelerate the entire digital transformation story?
Yeah, you are very much right, Praveen. See, the thing is that requirement of the IT system is increasing significantly, and IT as a IT, it is becoming difficult for IT to deliver all the users' requirement. Users are becoming much more IT intelligent, and they are coming up with a lot many requirements. So the solution is that we enable the user, business user, to do some of their work. We provide a platform to them, and the business user can do their function. Some small systems they can develop it, they can do it of their own without coming to IT, so that the load onto the IT folks is reduced, and there is a speed at the business user side also, because once the user is able to do his work independently, so then he is able to do it fast also. So we are using mainly for two areas. One is the faster development of the system using the low code no code technology. Another is in the area of the analytics, where we are giving the BI tools to the business users, so that they can do the data analysis of their own, and using the low code no code systems platform, they can develop some small systems at their end. And third part is this RPA technology, which we are leveraging in our organization to reduce the regular work improve the productivity.
We have also seen with the increase in digital technology and the democratization of it, there's also a shortage of talent in terms of adopting it and moving forward. So, what would be your suggestion, experience, and a recommendation on how do we bridge the talent gap? How do we enable our teams to learn, relearn, and redefine the way business processes being done? There's also a change management element to it, and which is very critical in terms of driving this whole adoption journey moving forward. So, Vipin San, on a conclusive note, we'll be very happy to hear your thoughts that while technology can do its bit, how do we take care of the people aspect as well and the change management aspect as well?
So, as far as the IT people are concerned, as you said, that there is a shortage of the manpower and all that type of thing. So, what as an organization, what we believe is in developing the people. So, rather than recruiting the people, experienced people from the market, so we hire the GTs, and we develop those people based on our need and based on the technology what our organization is using it. And we have got some training platform, and some digital training platforms are also we are using it, so that we can expedite that particular learning curve. So that should be my answer.
Now, that's very heartening to see how you're able to get fresh talent and train them and focus on the learning aspect of it. So,
Yeah.
Vipin-san, thank you so much for joining us this evening. Just for me to summarize it, we all agree that automotive industry is once again at a cusp of a disruption, and to really differentiate itself, uh, digital technology is playing a very important role, be it the front office, be it the manufacturing processes, or be it the supply chain, and how uh, enterprises like Maruti and yours are leveraging platform, looking at people, and accelerating this entire journey to move forward. I'm tempted to summarize and conclude this with an acronym. We have heard CASE as an acronym for long in the automotive industry, and CASE was connected, autonomous, safe, and electric. And I believe from a digital parlance perspective, the CASE can get very well summarized as cloud. It can get C for cloud, A for artificial intelligence and machine learning, S is for secure networks, and E for engineering and education. So on that note, I would look at, it's very heartening to see how the technology is working collaboratively with business to really drive business impact. Thank you so much for joining us once again. And it was really insightful and learning for me to hear from you and your experience, Vipin San. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.